unwrap it. This is...
Tear it apart, tear it apart. For me, for me, for me.
Ano?
All the fun and 1,000 paper. All the food that I might to devour. Never giving up. I'll eat it all.
Ano higo? Ano sabihin mo?
Towers of rice and of tapa, eggs of yolk and
Sige, kantahin nyo yung ano.
Never
Never be enough. We'll never eat enough.
for me.
Me. Never, never.
Sige, tama na.
Never, never.
Thank you, tama na.
enough.
Sumobra na yan.
For me. For me.